Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles. Inside you'll find trip computer, 8 speakers, low tire pressure warning, compass. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. Your new ride is just a phone call away.